Hey everyone, good morning. It's another day up here on Mockingbird Hill. Today I just wanted to do a short product review video on a flex screen. It was custom made that I bought from homedepot.com. What we have here is a screen door here at the house, storm door rather, into the house that we moved into a few years that does not have any outdoor screens on it, so I can't use it for fresh air. So I wanted to do something. I had checked with a local company to see if they could make a screen. That was going to be pretty expensive. And so I had this made for, I think, $92 total with like shipping and tax and everything. And so I feel like it was a really affordable option to get this door to where we could use it in the spring to let in the fresh air. So let me show you what I've got, and then I'm going to attempt to install it in real time. So let's see what happens. Okay, so this is the flex screen and it's made to your measurements, and all I did was to measure about where I wanted the screen to sit. So from here to the other side over here, right there, and then I measured the length. So let me get the tripod set up and we'll see how easy this is. Okay, so I've never done this before. I did watch a review to say kind of how to do it. You're supposed to squeeze it together like this and then slide it in. I think I'll go this direction. Hopefully it's correct. I don't know if we can do it, but we will try. All right. I've got it in the track. It's kind of stuck in the window track, which is not what we want. I want it to be, yeah, kind of out here closer. There we go. Well, hopefully. What does that warning say? Maybe we do want it to go this way. Oh, I bet we kind of do want it to go that way to kind of seal a little bit. Well, it'll definitely be snug if I can get it to get up in the corners it's supposed to be in. I think I'm gonna need a little tool to kind of pull this down, so I'll pause it while I get that. All right, I got a little needle nose pliers. We'll see if this won't kind of help to get it in there. And it could be that I didn't measure it properly. Ooh, almost. Okay. Well, it does have a little bit of a wrinkle here. That very well could be my fault. Perhaps I measured it a little bit too large. I'm actually fine with it though. I feel like it'll still do what I want. It'll keep the bugs out. It'll let the airflow in. So I'm not gonna send this back. You can, but frankly, I just wanna use it. So let me get you a little closer so you can see. All right, you can kind of see the wrinkle here. Like I said, I really don't mind that, honestly. I think it'll be just fine. I like that it's a snug fit. I do not think that any bugs will get in. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Like I said, I think if I would have measured it slightly smaller, it wouldn't have that, but overall, I think it's gonna be great. You can see here, this line is the kind of the wrinkle. I've got a breeze. I've got this door open and a breeze coming in for the first time since we moved here, which was, well, almost 5 years ago. So yeah, it's fine. Great, love it.